Hello and welcome to another Soulframe video where I'm gonna teach you how to smite in Soulframe. I'm gonna do some charge attacks because these ones can trigger in my class, in this case, the chance of smite, which is a glowing ball around the enemy. Let's see. Okay, I triggered it. Now you press Q and left click, and that's how you do it. In my case, Smiting also gives me this buff to my attacks that make them glow and make them hit a lot the enemies. This enemy can't even block. So yeah, you want to learn how to smite because a lot of the mechanics in the game are depending on the smite. But how to get better chances for smiting? I'm gonna go to my mind space so that I can show you a little bit my build. Here we can see that because I've been using a lot of bows, I ranked up my bow proficiency. And in the tree, because I get more points the more I level up to spend on this tree, you can see that I get perfect aim, which increases the chances of smite on charged shots. That's how I got from a few shots the chance of smiting. So you can see the more you level up this tree, the more chances of smiting you will have. But also right-clicking your weapon and singing to the animals, you can get this kind of totems. And these totems, for example, here, this one that I have here, you can read that it says fully charged shots have an additional 1 in 11 chance of smite. So here you go, check your builds, check your items, your configurations of your weapon, your side arm, maybe even your pact has some notes that have to do with smiting. And this is all. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving me a like. It really helps me out. Until the next one.